Hi guys, what's up? It's your girl. Good. Yeah, what's up? Okay. So I'm trying not to get a shy. God, I don't want like people's music to enter my video. I don't want to get monetized or whatever. But yeah. So I went to do an eyelash hack. You guys are missing. So I'm going to show you guys how to put lashes easy and simple. Yeah, 5 minutes, if not less. Okay, so yeah, let's get into the video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, everything. These are the lashes I'm using today. I like them. I've used them before, but I really like these lashes. And you have to have your mascara, your eyeliner, and a lash glue. This is my lash glue. Yeah, so those are the stuff I use. I think I'm going to put my hair back. Just what's up with talk and then. Yes. Now that my hair is back enough for this video, hope everybody can see. So first of all, you're just going to raise your eyelashes in the movement. We're just going to take the mascara and we're just going to go upward in an upward motion. Yes, feeling like so that the lashes will sit well on it. So now I'm going to go in with my eyeliner, and this one is one of those marker ones, and I'm just going to draw like a base, like not like a wing eyeliner, but just like a base to give like this eye effect. So I'm just going to clean off the excess parts because it's not meant to show, but this is a very easy hack basically. So now I'm brushing my eyes again. You're going to brush your eyes with mascara like 3 times because as it dries up and you use the mascara again. These are the lashes. I use the Maybelline mascara actually, and then yeah, you put your eyelash glue on your lashes. You just blow it, then you apply some on your eye, like on that base eyeliner that you drew before. Then you take your mascara, you color, you pack your lashes, because obviously I wish I had one of those like liner, like eyelash glue that has like a brush for itself. Those ones are really nice. Mine finished, so we do what we just did for the next eye, and yeah. I'm feeling myself. It actually is nice. Let's get the hair out, and yeah, we'll get like a meal. Hope you guys actually enjoyed this video. It's really short, really. I hope you enjoyed it. It's quite entertaining. And yeah, bye. Subscribe.